So this is a little chat about this circular saw, which I've had for nearly 15 years now, and I'm a DIYer, and this saw has been absolutely rock solid and done so much work. So I thought as it's still for sale, I think, in a very similar format, if not the exact format, I thought I would just make this video very quickly to sort of tell you what I've done with it over the years, and you know what its capabilities are. So it's there are the specifications. It's a 1.4 kilowatt saw, and it says there it can cut a 70mm thickness. The blades are very easy to get. I think that's a DeWalt one on there at the moment from memory, and I think that's the second blade I've had, so that gives you a bit of an indication of how much I've used it. But I've built a huge timber frame barn with it, which involved sort of cutting, I think it was like 10-inch square posts. Obviously I had to do those one cut each side, but with a set square you can transfer the line around the post and cut in from, you know, sometimes 4 sides to get it to cut through. I think that was the job I bought it for, and after that I had a lot of timber left over, which were kind of like 4x8 timbers. And so the next job I did with it after that was I built our porch, which involved cutting those 4x8 timbers. So that porch there, so all those timbers in there, they're from the leftover wood from the barn, and they've all been cut, split, or whatever you want to call it, lengthwise, which is quite a hard cut. I've done all those with it. And then I built this extension as well on the house. Now that's not timber frame, that's concrete block cavity wall, but all these cuts around the windows, all the joists inside, all the stud partitioning downstairs, it's done all that work. Numerous, they've got a couple of smaller sheds dotted about, and then more recently this large shed here, which was rebuilt on its old footprint. And although, to be honest with you, I think I used maybe an electric chainsaw for a lot of those cuts, because it was just really scruffy, so I wasn't too bothered, to be honest. But it's been very good. It's good for cutting angles. It gives a lovely neat cut, especially with a new blade on it. And yeah, for when you need a bit of precision, or when you're cutting in a straight line, it has a little guide. This is particularly good when you're cutting lengthwise on bits of timber, but there's a little guide which comes in here that's a bit like a set square, and you can rest that against the edge of the wood you're cutting and run it along the edge so it keeps it straight. But yeah, it's been a marvellous saw, to be honest with you, and you know, I think next to my DeWalt jigsaw, which I've had probably for about 20 years, and the brushes have just gone on that DeWalt jigsaw, I think they need replacing, but otherwise it's absolutely perfectly fine. And this too as well, still rock solid. Just been using it today to cut up some sheet materials, and as with, I'm particularly, I probably, after a chainsaw, this is the tool I'm most afraid of, because it would have your hand off in a second, I think. But if you're careful, you should be okay. And very good for cutting angles, just a great saw really, and very useful, just so useful for so many different jobs. So there you go, 15 years old, kept in a damp shed, and done a ton of work with it, and must have released its value many times over. So there you go, if you're thinking of getting one, perhaps another circular saw would be just as good, but I've been very happy with this one and it comes highly recommended. Cheers, thanks for watching, bye.